Greetings of the day, everyone. My name is Rupak Dubey. I've done my BTech from JP Institute of Information Technology. I've passed out in 2017, and right now I'm working as a growth marketer in India's #1 MBA test prep portal. I hope that everyone is healthy right now and is in high spirits. My objective of making this video is aimed at identifying the biggest void that exists in the education sector right now. And to be very honest, it is right now not dealt with that proper essence with the overhyped e-learning domain. I'm not pointing out that all edtech initiatives are not doing anything. The edtech industry has brought a great revolution. But I want to highlight the biggest issue, a biggest void that is being faced by the students right now, and that is doubt solving. Now, I want to ask from all the edtech initiatives that is there really an educational initiative that really understands what is doubt solving? Is there any empirical data that has analyzed that eventually the doubt solving platforms are helping the students or not? I'll be very honest with you, I stay very active on all the social media platforms, I stay active on a lot of things, but the empirical data is still missing. There is no absolute study from these edtech initiatives on doubt solving. So I'm not putting up a question, I'm putting up as somebody who's an education enthusiast and who's literally thrilled by the revolution that is brought by e-learning. But I also want to point out, since I am an education enthusiast, that it needs to be a 360-degree development. And doubt solving right now is in the garbs. It's still not relevant in India, especially in the tier 2 or tier 3 cities. Let me put up some questions. Is there any doubt solving feature that's really helping build the student mentor interaction or relationship? Is there really a doubt solving platform that is helping students have a development in their cognitive and learning abilities? I'll be very honest and very absolute in this. There is none at this point of time. People and initiatives might be making claims, but right now there is no absolute or an effective doubt solving forum by any of the edtech initiatives. And the most important thing that I want to point out in this is the edtech revolution really a cost feasible measure for tier 2 and tier 3 cities? That is a question that needs addressal from the big wigs of the edtech space. I've put out a LinkedIn post today on the same thing, and I've got comments from people, I've got inboxes from people saying that we brought an edtech revolution, but eventually the void remains. What they are doing about doubt solving? The question is still unanswered. I urge everyone watching this video to help us, because this is a very big problem, and me along with my team members are planning to come up with a solution for the same, to come up with the product that is as feasible to use as we do WhatsApp chats, and is as feasible to post in doubts as we post our FB status. And at the same point of time, our interaction with the mentor is as easy as it is with our friends. So we are working on a seamless model. So if you want to connect with this issue, and if you think that this video is really going to help and change the way India learns, please do like, comment and subscribe. Your one like, your one comment and your one subscription is going to literally change the way India learns and motivate us to come up with even greater solutions that is required in the edtech space right now. This is Rupak Dubey signing off. Thank you for your time.